Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Majungasaurus. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Majungasaurus, we're going to begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up and back like this. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up. And a little line or two underneath it. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And then right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up and then down. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down and out like this. And then we're going to curve it back, and it's going to come up and down. And we're going to bring it up a little bit. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come out like this. And we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up. We're going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come right up here for the jaw. Then I'll make a little line coming down here. Inside of here we want to add some teeth. So let's just add some nice long skinny V shapes and then some kind of long skinny curved triangle shapes down here. And we'll draw a nice line that's going to go down and it's going to go out and then come back here for the tongue. Up here we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come down. It's going to go up and down like this for the body. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come back up here. Starting here, we're going to make a couple little wrinkle lines, and a little line that's going to go down and then in for the neck. We'll make a line that's going to go down and then over for the chest. And right here, we're going to make a line that comes down. We're going to go down, and I'm going to curve it and then bring it up. And we'll do another one here for some claws. We'll bring this line back and bring it right up to here. We'll make another one here. We're just going to go down. We're going to go out. And then we will just make those two claws again. Bring it back and then up. Starting here, we're going to go down just a little bit. And then for this back leg, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then in. We're going to bring it in a little farther. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come to a point and then over. Make another line that's going to come down to a point and then over. And then one more, it's going to come down, it's going to go over and up like this. Then we're going to bring it up and curve it around. And I'll put a couple more little curved lines here. Over here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to angle back. We'll make a little line that's going to come down and then over, and another one's going to go down and over. Make a line that's going to go up, and then a little line that curves down. I'm going to go up and in, and we're going to bring it right back to here. Next, we want to add some of the different details on here. So let's start with the spikes. He's going to have this big pointy horn on top of his head. Next, all along his back, he's going to have these kind of spaced out little spikes all along the back here. So we're just going to make them, they're all about the same size. They're going to get a little bit taller as they get towards the top of his back, and then they're going to start getting smaller and smaller as they come down. And they're actually going to start spreading out a little bit and getting a little bit wider as they come down his tail. So we're just going to add some of these coming all the way down. Next, up here, we're going to add a little oval shape with a little curved line around it for the nose. And then a little line's going to come down here for some detail. We'll add a little curved line around here. And a little curved line that comes up here. We can add a couple little lines right around his arms and the legs. We'll add a little line right over here. And we'll put some little claws on here as well. Put a few on here with a couple little extra lines just to kind of show some little wrinkle spots on there. And I'm going to put a couple little extra lines on where like the knee would be. I like to add some long little broken lines kind of right along the body here. And a couple more right along the back. I'm going to add a couple more little lines coming down the side of the face. We'll also put a couple on here too, with a couple little quick lines in here. A couple little broken lines right around the face, and some more down here. And we're going to add just a couple more quick ones over here. Then finally right in here I'm going to add a little black dot for the pupil. And there you go, there is your drawing of a level 40 Majungasaurus from Jurassic World the game. Now we will be adding some different stripes in here, but we're going to color this in and then add our stripes last. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.